Hey guys, welcome to Earthbeat. This is my final video on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and we are replacing the back glass of this Samsung. Hit the back of the device for 5 minutes. Next, insert a metal tool between the frame and the back glass. Once you have the tool in, it should be pretty easy to remove the back glass. If your back glass is badly damaged like mine, use some tape to avoid spreading particles of glass everywhere. Use a plastic tool, it's more convenient. You're not going to leave any scratch on the frame of the device. There is a little sensor that you need to remove and reinstall that on the new back glass. The next part is cleaning. Use a metal tool to remove all the excess glue stuck on the frame of the device. You can also use some rubbing alcohol. Let the device sit and dry before you do the next step. This is the new back glass that I am going to install on this device. These back glass do not come with the sensor near the camera holes, so you should transfer the sensor from the old back glass to the new back glass. The back glass comes with a pre-cut glue. You do not have to use any type of glue like the B7000. These back glass are of good quality, but the double-sided tape that it comes with are not really that strong. Make sure you put some pressure on the glue on all corners of the back glass before you start the installation. In a few weeks, we are going to start our video series for the Samsung S20 Ultra. Subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss that. Remove the green film. After you removed all the film on the back glass, you are ready to install the new back glass on the phone. Make sure you insert the sensor that I was talking about earlier. It is possible to misalign the back glass with the frame of the phone, so be very careful while aligning the back glass. After the installation of the back glass, you need to put some pressure on all corners of the device so that the back glass will stick perfectly to the frame. Inspect all corners of the device for elevation. If you see any kind of elevation, you need to apply pressure in order for the glue to stick firmly with the frame of the phone. Here I'm using some clamps in order to put some extra pressure on the back glass so that it sticks firmly to the frame of the phone. You need to apply the pressure on the edge of the screen, but the pressure has to be light so that you do not break the screen of the phone. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can remove all the clamps and inspect the device. Make sure you check for elevation between the frame and the back glass on all corners of the device. Also, you need to put some light pressure where you have the camera bezel so that the sensor is in contact with the motherboard of the phone. If you like these repair videos, subscribe to our channel and be part of the community.